Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bitwarden to autolock and secure vault with biometrics step by step. To configure Bitwarden to autolock and secure your vault with biometrics, start by opening the Bitwarden application on your device. Log into your Bitwarden account using your master password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings by tapping the gear icon or selecting the settings option from the menu. Locate the security section within the settings menu. Find the autolock option to enable this feature. Select your preferred time interval for autolocking the vault. Options usually range from immediately to several hours. After setting the autolock interval, look for the biometric unlock option in the same security section. Enable biometric unlock if it's not already activated. You may be prompted to authenticate using your device's built-in biometric method, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the biometric setup. Once your biometric unlock is set, verify that both the autolock and biometric options are enabled. For added security, consider setting a strong master password if you haven't already. Exit the settings menu to return to your vault. To test the configurations, manually lock the vault or wait for the autolock timer to activate. When you reopen the vault, use your biometric method to quickly access your passwords. Ensure that everything is functioning as expected, so you can enjoy secure and convenient access to your Bitwarden vault. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.